Welcome. Managing team schedules, project timelines, and resource allocation can become difficult without the right planning tools. That's where Float comes in. Float is a powerful resource management platform that helps teams plan workloads, schedule projects, and track team availability from one centralized dashboard. With clear visibility into who is working on what and when, businesses can optimize productivity, avoid scheduling conflicts, and keep projects running smoothly. Let's get started. To get started, visit float.com and click on the Try for Free button. This will redirect you to a new page where you can sign up using your email address. After completing this step, you will need to choose a team name. For demonstration purposes, let us call it the Simple Answers team. Once you have named your team, click Continue. After providing some basic information, you'll be directed to your dashboard. You can specify the number of people on your team, selecting from options such as 1 to 10 members. If you are new to Float, select New to Float. And I will guide you step by step through the process. Next, click Next, and you will be prompted to create your first project. Creating and managing a project in Flow. For example, let us say your first group project is to create a YouTube video. You would enter Make YouTube Video as your project name, and then click Next. Now, you can add team members to the project. Let us say we add Jason and Try as team members. After adding them, click Next to proceed. Once you are on the dashboard, you can close the pop-up window to see your Float schedule or calendar. From here, you'll find the project we just created. Click on the project name. In this case, Make YouTube Video to manage it further. Scrolling down, you'll see an option to set a budget. Float allows you to establish different types of budget, including an hours-based budget, a fee-based budget, or an hourly fee budget. For this tutorial, we will leave it set to no budget. Once that is done, you can proceed by adding team members to specific tasks. However, a better approach is to break the project into phases or tasks. For instance, the first phase of making a YouTube video might be brainstorming video ideas. To add this phase, type Come Up with Video Idea, then select a deadline. Say the 26th of the month. After adding this, you can create another phase by clicking Add Phase. The second phase could be Write Script with a deadline of the 27th. Similarly, a third phase might be Film Video. Now we have set 3 phases with corresponding deadlines. Advanced features and customizations milestones can be integrated into your project to highlight key progress points, ensuring that important phases are recognized and tracked effectively. These milestones serve as checkpoints that help keep the project on schedule and provide a clear sense of accomplishment as each is reached. Once you have structured your project into well-defined phases, click the Update Project button to finalize your setup. At this stage, you will see the main project displayed along with 3 micro-tasks that contribute to the completion of the larger goal. Breaking the project to these smaller tasks makes it easier to manage and track progress. To assign tasks to specific individuals, navigate to the desired task, click on Team, and use the search function to find and assign the appropriate team member. For example, if the project involves creating a video, you might assign the Come Up with Video Idea task to Try, ensuring they take the lead in brainstorming creative concepts. Next, you can allocate the Write Script task to another team member with strong writing skills, and the Film Video task to someone with expertise in video production. Once assignments are completed, team members will receive notifications detailing their responsibilities. This structured workflow promotes collaboration and ensures that everyone understands their role, ultimately leading to more efficient and organized project execution. Once a team member logs in and accesses their assigned task, They can begin working on it immediately. As the project manager, you'll be able to track the time each person takes to complete their assigned work. Team members can log their hours. You can monitor their log time directly from the platform. Additionally, you can view detailed reports showing various statistics, and including billable time, non-billable time, time off, and overtime. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're working with freelancers and need to determine appropriate billing amounts. Growth provides additional tools to manage projects effectively. For instance, by clicking the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, you can quickly allocate time, log time, and add new projects or team members. Moreover, you can manage templates by selecting Manage Templates from the menu. Here, you can create a new template by clicking New Template and assigning a name to it. This feature is useful for reusing template layouts for similar projects in the future, saving you time and effort. The left-hand menu also provides access to settings, where you can make adjustments to team structures and roles. By clicking the Settings cog, you can create a new team or modify existing team settings. If you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, you will gain access to additional features. For example, the starter plan includes unlimited projects, capacity management, forecasting, placeholder resource scheduling, project planning, a mobile app, and various integrations. The paid plans start at $16 per person per month. For further customization, navigate to General Settings from the left-hand menu. Here, you can view and edit account owner details, delete team members, or even remove an entire team if needed. Under Integrations, you can link Float with other project management tools such as Asana, Jira, Teamwork, and Trello. Additionally, you can configure working hours, currency settings, and time tracking preferences. The platform also allows you to create departments and assign specific roles to individuals, providing a structured workflow within your organization. Overall, Float is a comprehensive tool that streamlines project and resource management, making it ideal for teams to improve efficiency and organization. Whether you are coordinating a small event or managing a large-scale business project, Float offers essential features to enhance collaboration and productivity. Thank you for watching this Float resource management tutorial. Using a resource planning platform like Float can help teams balance workloads, improve project visibility, and streamline collaboration across projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on project management tools, productivity software, and business platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.